Soon there grew a body of disciples of the Buddha, and he founded a Sangha. Sangha means an organization of monks who too became teachers of Dhamma. These monks lived simply, possessing only the essential requisites for survival, such as a bowl to receive food once a day from the laity. As they lived on alms, they were known as bhikkhus. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the followers of the Buddha and stupas in this session. So let us have a look into today's topic. As followers of the Buddha, in this already I told you about Sangha. What is Sangha? Sangha means an organization of monks and nuns. An organization of monks and nuns. Initially, only male are allowed to join in Sangha. Later, they allowed female also can join in this organization. According to Buddhist text, Buddha's favorite disciple, known as Ananda, he only convinced Buddha to allow this female as a member of Sangha. And the first women who are a part of this Sangha was Mahaprajapati Gautami. This name you have to be noted. Once examination, during the CBSE examination, 1 mark question came, and many of the students are also unable to write because you have to read each line from the textbook. The first bhikkhuni means we can say that the female member is known as bhikkhuni and the male is known as bhikkhus and female known as the bhikkhunis. The first female ordained to be a bhikkhuni was Mahaprajapati Gautami. She was the foster mother of Buddha. What is the meaning of foster mother? Foster mother means हिंदी में बोलेंगे दाइमा. दाइमा मीन्स नॉट रियल मदर, जो केयर टेकर बचपन में आपको पाला है ना, उसी को बोलेंगे दाइमा. दाइमा मीन्स foster mother. So she was the first bhikkhuni. And many women entered. They became that teacher of Dhamma. And afterwards, after so many years, they got liberation. Liberation in the sense worldly pleasure se jo dur ho gaya, bahar aa gaya. Then they become theories. This term also you have to note it down. Theories. Theories we can say in Hindu culture में हम बोलेंगे बहन, जिसको का पूरा दुनिया संसार को छोड़ करके मतलब जो प्रीचिंग करने के लिए निकलता है उसको बहन बोलेंगे. क्रिश्चियन में बोलेंगे हम लोग सिस्टर्स बोलेंगे, nuns बोलेंगे. So here Buddhism and theories, they will be the respected women, and they got liberation from the worldly pleasures and all the things, right? And the most important part of this Buddhism was that in Buddhism, the followers can be from any social groups. There was no restrictions. You should be from this category, you should be from that category, nothing. We know well that according to Vedic culture, Brahmanas should do this, Vaishya should do this, you are this category, you should not do that. Based on the birth, all the means the facilities and all the things they got. But in this Buddhism, there was no such criteria. You can be a king. King can be joined. Grahapati can be joined. Zamindar can be joined. And also worker, slave, whatever it is, whoever it is can join Sangha. Within the Sangha, once you entered Sangha, all are equal. There was no social identity in Sangha. I am the king, I am the Brahmana, you are the slave, you are the nothing at all. All are equal. And the internal functioning based on the Gana and Sangha. You must have learned about Gana and Sangha of this Mahajanapadas. Based on that only the functioning. Together they will decide the things, they discuss the things, matter. If the matter is, suppose they discuss one matter and they are unable to finalize the matter, that discussion was failed, then direct vote and all. You can say that democracy is also applied. In such a way, people attracted towards this. Apart that, Buddhism spread all over the continent, not only India, all the world. Why? The then situation, contemporary situation, मतलब उस time का situation क्या था? People were not satisfied with the situations. They were frustrated because of the restrictions and jadi wadi ये सब कुछ है ना. After apart that, the changing the scenario, different changes आ रहे हैं, अपने मर्जी से changes कर रहे हैं, and people are totally frustrated. That was the main reason they attracted towards this Buddhism, and many people became the follower of Buddha. And this Buddhism that emphasis on metta means brotherhoodness. That means the fellow feelings. Spelling is wrong. Fellow feelings. And it emphasizes on karuna. Karuna means compassion. Karuna means compassion. Compassion towards the younger people or the weaker section than yours. तुमसे भी जो वीकर है, तुमसे भी एंगर है, उनसे तुम अपना कंपैशन शो करना, काइंडनेस शो करना है. And all these ideas that drew men and women to Buddhist teachings. These all reasons, society का जो changing situation, there was no restrictions in that any social group can join, है ना? And also this karuna, compassion, this metta, brotherhoodness, all these things attracted this men and women to join this Buddhism. Right? And one more, some more things are there already. I told you that the Buddhist bhikkhus and bhikkhunis, they have to कैसे उसको लाइफ कैसे होना चाहिए, उन्हें भीख मांगना पड़ेगा, जितना खाना चाहिए उतना लेना है. स्टार्टिंग में मैंने बोला था, बाउल लेकर के जाना है. लाइट मीन्स ऑर्डिनरी पीपल, उनके पास जाना है, जो खाना मिलेगा उस खाना जितना आपको चाहिए उतना लेना है. जिस शादी में जाएंगे पूरा प्लेट भर के लेके जाएंगे ना, थोड़ा खाएंगे बाकी फेंकेंगे, नो, नॉट एट ऑल. They don't like that. Whatever you want, that you have to collect. Suppose वो extra बच गया है, you please give, don't waste. Give to someone, those who are needy. जो भूखा है उसको दे दो. इसी तरह उसको लाइफ बिताना है. One time only you have to beg from that also. जिसके पास है जो मिलेगा उसको लेके जाना, ये नहीं चाहिए वो नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. तो बहुत कुछ है. अगर आप बुद्धिज्म का अंदर जाएगा ना, बहुत अच्छी चीजें पढ़ने के लिए, हिस्ट्री ऑनर्स पढ़ के लेके पढ़ेगा ना, तो बुद्धिज्म का बहुत और डिटेल से पढ़ेंगे. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स आप देखेंगे. एक भिक्खु और भिक्खुनी और थ्योरी बनने में कितना टाइम लगता है, एंड हाउ मच दे हैव सफर. दैट इज वाई लिबरेशन की बात बोला है, मतलब पूरा वर्ल्डली लिबरेशन हो जाता है, सब कुछ बातें बोला है. ठीक है. एंड प्लीज dear students, you should read the topic also. I am lecturing the things, but the main part is that you have to read the topic and underline the things. Right? And the next topic is stupas. Earliest times, people tended to regard as some place as sacred. These includes or associated with some particular unique rocks, some special trees, some beautiful natural beauty, right? And some shrines also associated with, attached with these places. And it is often described as chaityas. The meaning of chaityas, the word chaitya derived from chita. Chita meaning a funeral pyre. Buddhist literature also mentioned about different type of chaityas, which was related to the Buddhist life. The famous chaityas, or which is the places related to Buddhist life, are as follows. First is Lumbini, where Buddha born. Second is Bodh Gaya, where he attained enlightenment. And the third is Sarnath, his first sermon, first preaching. And the fourth one is the Kushinagar, where he attained Nirvana. Nibbana means, the meaning of Nibbana means Nirvana. संस्कृत में बोलेंगे निर्वाण. निर्वाणा means क्या होता है? One person who is free from the cycle of birth and rebirth. The last session I told about this. That means after Nibbana means क्या होता है कि you are reaching, your soul is reaching into the ultimate reality. उसके बाद तुम्हारा कोई rebirth नहीं है, मतलब खत्म. वर्ल्ड रिलेशन कुछ नहीं है, then तुम्हारा जन्म दोबारा rebirth, nothing at all. You reach the supreme reality, right? These places are very important. Mark question also. And as you know that Buddhism spread during the life of Buddha as well as after the death. बुद्धा का डेथ के बाद भी दूसरा टाइम में बुद्धिज्म स्प्रेड हो गया. रीजंस आई ऑलरेडी डिस्क्राइब. We know that after 200 years of Buddha's time, Buddha का 200 years के बाद, Ashoka reached Lumbini and he erected a pillar there, so that he wanted to show the fact that he visited that place, right? And next is we're going to discuss about why were stupas built. There were other places too that were regarded as a sacred. This is because the relics of Buddha buried. What is the meaning of relics? Relics means the bodily remains of Buddha. Buddha ka bodily remains. Don't think so that the bodily remains means only ashes and bones, like a Hindu culture mein jo hota hai. Here, bodily remains of Buddha means can be this ashes of the body or his body or the bones of his body and the object which is used by Buddha. That also buried because they believe this as a sacred. And there only this mound is known as stupa. Mound you have seen in the Mughal culture also, Mughal architecture. Means you can see in the Agra also, in Agra and Delhi and Fatehpur Sikri, etc. Fatehpur Sikri and Taj Mahal, etc. Mound is there. But that mound and this mound is only different. That is based on the structure, then mound. But this is originated from the earth. धरती से ऐसे आकर के mound बना है. And this is very sacred place because it contains relics. Relics they believe as sacred. So this area, total this stupa, that also considered as a symbol of Buddha and Buddhism. So the tradition of this erecting stupas is considered as the pre-Buddhist. But now it is associated with Buddha and Buddhism. And people believe this place as a sacred one because of the relics. According to Buddhist text, King Ashoka distributed relics of Buddha into various cities. And there he built stupas, including Bharuch, Sanchi, and Sarnath. Next is how were stupas built? Inscriptions found on the railings and pillars of stupas. And also mention about the construction of the stupas. The people, those who made donations. Mainly, stupas built with the help of the donations provided by the kings. Satvahana rulers, they were very fond of this Buddhism and they provide enough money to build stupas. Next is Shrenis, means the guilds. Guilds means associations. सांची स्तूपा का वन गेटवे बनाने के लिए जो आइवरी वर्कर्स, एग्जाम्पल में आप बोल सकते हैं, आइवरी वर्कर्स डोनेटेड मनी फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ वन गेटवे ऑफ सांची. सो किंग्स दे डोनेटेड for construction of the stupa. Then Shrenis or guilds, they also donated, and hundreds of men and women, they also donated. And everything is inscribed on the pillars and railings. In some places, those who donated, their name, their occupation, their relatives' name, all mentioned. So men and women also donated. Apart that, bhikkhus and bhikkhunis, those who joined in the sangha, they also donated. Might be those who joined in the sangha, might be their property they have donated. Can be. Anyway, if question will come that how was stupas built, these points have to be noted. Raja, kings, means Satavahana rulers, especially kings donated, and guilds. Example, ivory ka yaad karna, ivory groups, ivory workers, they also donated. Different guilds donated to construct the stupas. Next, hundreds of women and men, they also donated. Apart that, the bhikkhus and bhikkhunis also donated to construct the stupas. Right? For today, this much enough. And tomorrow, we will discuss about, in this next session, we'll discuss about the structure of stupa. Now, just moving to the questionnaire. So, today's questionnaire from the topic, followers of the Buddha and stupa. First question is that, what is the meaning of Sangha?
Sangha means an organization of monks and nuns.
Nuns. First women to be ordained as bhikkhuni.
Mahapajapati Gautami.
Mahapajapati Gautami. She was the foster mother of Buddha. Right? What is the meaning of Theres?
Theres means the respected women who become the
Who
nun.
attained the nun also who attained the liberation. Right. And why the people means the popularity of Buddhism? What was the reason behind the popularity of Buddhism?
Means people attracted.
Attracted towards Buddhism.
They emphasized on metta, which means fellow feelings, brotherhoodness, and they also emphasize on karuna, compassion, especially for those who are younger and weaker than oneself. And social group are also it included.
No, you have to say like that only. Various groups, like there is no restriction for the groups. Various groups can be joined in this group, in this Sangha. That means there is no restrictions of particular group, particular this group like that. And here all are equal also. We can say that the slaves also, and different folks, means king, Brahmin, slaves, workers, everyone can join and all are equal. That also one reason. Second was that these all the things, compassion and all things. Third, you have to say like means the current situation of the society, because the people are totally frustrated. Because of the Brahmanical norms and all. And that also, and the changing tradition, always they were totally pathetic. Means their condition was so pathetic. That is why. Okay, and that you to read. Please read the topic from the textbook. And what is the meaning of Chaityas?
Chaityas, it is derived from Chitta, which means funeral pyre.
Right. And the place associated, the most important place associated with the Buddha's life.
The 4 places which is associated with Buddha's life are first Lumbini, where Buddha born, and Bodh Gaya, where he attained his enlightenment, and Sarnath, where he attained his first sermon, and fourth is Kushin-Nagara, where he attained his Nibbana.
Nibbana, right. Nibbana means
meaning Nirvana.
Right. Yes. And how were stupas built?
Stupas were built, the following points are: some of the donations were made by the kings, mainly the Satvana rulers, and different guilds. For example, ivory workers, they also donated for constructing one of the gateway from Sanchi, and hundreds of donations were made by the men and women. Their name were also mentioned, and their relatives' name were also mentioned in different places.
Their occupation also, and their place also, from where they came, that also mentioned.
And bhikkhuns and bhikkhunis, they also
Bhikkhuns name bhikkhus.
And bhikkhunis also contributed towards constructing this monument.
Monuments, right. Okay. This is enough. And my dear students, please read the topic carefully. And you yourself, I have given some questions only. Yourself, you have to mention some questions also. It's very good for you. Thank you for today's test session. Tomorrow we'll meet again with the new topic, the structure of stupa. Thank you.